It is a philosophy of life that uses the garden as a metaphor. Your mind is like a garden that needs to be irrigated, cultivated, and cared for. Although we can't control the changes in our lives, just as we can't control the weather, we can choose which seeds to plant in our hearts. This seed can be peace, joy, perseverance, or hope. We can nurture and protect it no matter what the circumstances are. When life throws us a curveball, like a weed in the garden, we can choose to ignore it and let it spread, or we can pull it out and stop it from affecting our spiritual garden. A wise gardener doesn't complain about rain or sunshine. He knows that these are necessary conditions for growth. Similarly, we should choose to accept and adapt to difficulties because they are also part of our growth. When you focus on and cultivate inner peace, you will find that your mind becomes more and more peaceful. Maintaining a beautiful garden requires constant attention and nourishment because it is not a sudden storm that can ruin a garden, but our negligence. So, please guard your inner landscape responsibly so that your inner seeds can be fully nurtured and grow strong.